Hello everyone and welcome to this talk. My name is Elsa and I am from the company IC'Alps. And today with Remy, we are going to present you how 4 of our customers made their products stand out with an ASIC. You know that the embedded world is replete with acronyms. So what comes into your mind when you hear ASIC or ASSP? We all use these words, but their meaning might be unclear. So let's start with 2 key definitions. Main innovative products requiring integration of electronic functions are initially based on a collection of off-the-shelf components, also known as application-specific standard products, or ASSP. These general-purpose circuits are a good solution for a proof of concept or for less constrained applications. But when it turns out that standard electronic components are not a good economic or technical choice for your project, then it's time to go for a custom solution. An ASIC, application-specific integrated circuit, is an integrated circuit designed specifically for one customer. The top 3 reasons why you should consider a custom ASIC are: first, to miniaturize your system and to reduce bill of material; to better protect your IP by adding physical barriers, thus making it hard to copy; and to boost the performances of your solutions, be it power efficiency, analog front-end resolution, or computing filtering capabilities. The good news is that the barriers to entry for custom ASIC development have been greatly reduced in the past few years. And today, even companies with small to medium volumes can leverage the benefits of custom ASIC solutions. ASIC solutions are finding their way across a wide range of use cases in healthcare, IoT, industrial, automotive, and aeronautics industries. Remy will present you 4 of them just after this short introduction of our company. We are working at the same company, IC'Alps, a French semiconductor design and supply services company with the team, expertise, operational flexibility, and process to ensure first-time right execution of your custom IC projects. All right, Remy, the floor is all yours.
Hello, everyone, and thank you very much, Elsa, for this great introduction. It's time now to review together concrete cases for which an ASIC approach added value to our customers' applications. Here, we'll review a case for an IoT product. This customer wants to implement a specific AI-based technology within a custom chip for a portable application. Thanks to the ASIC approach, the very low power consumption and high algorithm performance put his product on the high-end side of its market. It also helps our customer to differentiate and protect his IP from his own competitors. For this ASIC, we performed the physical implementation of the circuit in 22 nanometer, starting from customer RTL. Then we define and manage all the supply chain. That means that as prime contractor, we manage all technical and contractual relationships with test house, assembly house, and the foundry. At the end of this project, we deliver a tested and ready-to-use circuit. This approach enables our customer to focus on his design and on the applicative software part of his circuit. As explained by Elsa earlier in the presentation, one of our focus at IC'Alps is to develop custom circuits for medical applications. For this second use case, we work with our customer to miniaturize and optimize the power consumption of his proof of concept through the development of an ASIC for implantable digital stethoscope for heart monitoring. Thanks to our knowledge in highly efficient analog design, we implemented high accuracy analog front-end for ECG, bioimpedance, and activity monitoring. Customer product targets an implantable device. Consequently, the power consumption is really a challenge. For that project, the ASIC approach enables to improve the autonomy by a 10x factor compared to the initial proof of concept relying on standard components available on the market. And finally, this device is able to operate on battery during 5 years inside the patient body. Here, we took in charge the project from specification to production for a low volume, less than 10K units a year. and we manage the project under ISO 13485 to make easier FDA clearance, the CE mark process for our customer. What we see as ASIC supplier is that applications based on sensor interfaces often justify the ASIC approach. The automotive market, with vehicle electrification and smart environmental perception, needs for more and more specific sensors together with dedicated circuits. Indeed, most of the sensors are specific and sense the environment, such as pressure, current, movement, to provide an analog signal to be then used at system level. This signal is then computed to extract valuable data for the driver or for the vehicle system. To maximize the integration of the sensor and sometimes to reduce its cost, an ASIC can be used to transform sensor analog data into digital data. Here you can see the high level of integration with a stacked sensor on its ASIC. This ASIC has been developed under EN 9100 quality standard for providing very high traceability and safety level to the end customer. For this kind of project, with a development cost of about 1 million euro, the ROI will be reached in less than 2 years. I will conclude this short presentation by a last use case for an industrial application in the field of ultrasound inspection. The main stake for our customer was to drastically reduce the size of his system, targeting the integration in a portable device. The starting point of this project was a system initially developed using standard components. The first step was to define hand-in-hand with the customer the ASIC specification based on the application requirements. Then we managed to develop the ASIC from scratch up to the delivery of tested pre-series. Note that the development of the ASIC up to the delivery of the first prototypes took a bit more than 12 months, and then 6 more months to industrialize the product. What I want to highlight is that before going to an ASIC approach, our customers should keep in mind the ASIC development time in their own product roadmap. That's why we highly recommend to engage discussions with IC'Alps early in the product development planning. For example, with an initial feasibility study in order to get an accurate vision of the ASIC development time and costs. The time is running fast and we are now at the end of the presentation. We hope that you enjoyed it and that we will have the opportunity to talk about your next product which could benefit from an ASIC approach. If you have any question, feel free to let us know. You can also contact us directly on the platform to easily request a discussion with us. Very much.
Thank you.